Hey everyone, welcome to Curiosity Unleashed. First of all, a small disclaimer to you guys. We have rebranded our channel from Have You Ever Wondered to Curiosity Unleashed. Now today's topic is all about cold showers and why some people swear by them. Now before you click away, hear me out. I know the thought of voluntarily standing under a cold stream of water can seem crazy, but trust me, it's not all bad. In fact, it might just change your life. So without further ado, let's dive in. Curiosity Unleashed. The science of cold showers. First things first, let's talk about the science behind cold showers. When you expose your body to cold water, it triggers your sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the fight or flight response. This can lead to a rush of adrenaline and increased heart rate. But after a few minutes, your body adjusts and releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress levels. Plus, cold water can also help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Now let's talk about the physical benefits of cold showers. Cold water can improve circulation, which can help reduce muscle soreness and promote faster recovery after exercise. It can also help tighten and tone your skin, which is great if you are looking for a natural anti-aging remedy. And if you are someone who struggles with acne, cold water can help reduce inflammation and redness. But wait, there's more. Cold showers can also have a positive impact on your mental health. For starters, they can increase alertness and help you feel more awake and energized. They can also reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by boosting levels of dopamine and serotonin in the brain. And if you are someone who struggles with sleep, taking a cold shower before bed can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Of course, we can't talk about cold showers without acknowledging the downsides. For some people, the thought of standing under a stream of ice-cold water is enough to send shivers down their spine. And if you have certain medical conditions like Raynaud's disease or asthma, cold water can actually be harmful. But for most people, the discomfort is only temporary and the benefits outweigh the negatives. So, if you are ready to give cold showers a try, here are some tips for gradually building up your tolerance. Start by turning the water temperature down just a few degrees at a time, until you reach a temperature that's comfortably cool but not too cold. Then gradually decrease the temperature over time, and if you are feeling brave, try ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water to really reap the benefits. So there you have it, the benefits of cold showers in a nutshell. I hope this video has convinced you to give them a try or at least consider it. And if you are not already subscribed to Curiosity Unleashed, what are you waiting for? We have got plenty more fascinating topics to explore. So hit that subscribe button and join the community. Thanks for watching and stay curious.